Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about stocks in the market, AMC Entertainment Holdings, ticker symbol AMC. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, you'll want to stick around because we're covering everything you need to know about AMC stock right now. Let's get into it. First, let's quickly go over what AMC Entertainment is. AMC is one of the largest movie theater chains in the world. Founded in 1920, AMC has been a staple in the entertainment industry for over a century. However, the company has faced significant challenges over the past few years, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic when theaters were forced to shut down. This led to a massive decline in revenue and a surge in debt. But AMC's story took an interesting turn in early 2021. The stock became a part of the meme stock phenomenon, driven by retail investors on platforms like Reddit's Wall Street Bets. These investors saw an opportunity to counter short sellers who were betting against the stock, leading to a massive short squeeze. The stock price skyrocketed from under $5 to over $70 at its peak, making headlines across the world. Now, let's talk about AMC's current performance. As of, insert the latest date, AMC is trading at around, insert current price. The stock has been highly volatile, with big swings in both directions. In its most recent earnings report, AMC reported revenue of, insert revenue figure, but it's still struggling with a significant amount of debt, around, insert debt figure. The company has been trying to diversify its revenue streams by exploring new business ventures, such as accepting cryptocurrency for ticket purchases and even selling branded popcorn outside of theaters. Looking forward, there are several key factors that could impact AMC's future. One of the biggest questions is whether people will return to theaters in large numbers post-pandemic. While the box office has seen some recovery, the competition from streaming services remains fierce. Additionally, AMC's debt load is a major concern. The company needs to find ways to generate consistent cash flow to service its debt and fund its operations. Investor sentiment around AMC is mixed. On one hand, you have the diehard retail investors, often referred to as apes, who believe in the long-term potential of the stock and are holding on for dear life, or hodling. On the other hand, many analysts and institutional investors are more cautious, pointing to the company's financial struggles and the challenges facing the theater industry as a whole. Technical analysis shows that AMC has strong support at insert support level and resistance at insert resistance level. If the stock breaks above or below these levels, we could see significant movement in either direction. So, should you invest in AMC? Well, it depends on your risk tolerance and investment strategy. AMC is undeniably a high-risk, high-reward stock. If you believe in the company's ability to innovate and adapt to the changing entertainment landscape, it might be worth a speculative position. However, if you're more conservative or risk-averse, you may want to look at other opportunities in the market. That's all for today's video on AMC stock. Let me know in the comments what you think about AMC. Are you buying, holding, or selling? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.